What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. As you see here, we have cyclohexane, we have some methyl group, and we have hydroxyl group. So since we have hydroxyl group, it means that we are dealing with an alcohol. So we start numbering the carbon. So it's going to be 1 because the alcohol is here, hydroxyl group is here, so we start with 1. Should we go this side or that side? We need to go that side because methyl is closer to hydroxyl. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the name of this product is gonna be 2, 5, and 5, 3 methyl cyclohexanol. 2, 5, and 5, 3 methyl cyclohexanol. That's the name of this organic compound. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions.